Having a good camera is one thing, but having a good camera that doesn't have a front screen is a nightmare. Like guys, it's just a lot of work. You use mirrors, you use your cell phone to check if you are on frame, to check if the focus is right. Like, it's a lot, guys, it's a lot. And of course you can't get rid of this camera, can you? Of course you can't. So I'm here to actually give you a solution as to how you can use your camera, the one that does not have a front screen, how you can use it and still be able to see yourself as you are recording. So I've got the solution for you. But before I go there, please make sure that you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I mean, guys, you've been watching my videos, but you don't subscribe. Kantini, subscribe, okay? Anyway, guys, the camera that I'm using is the Canon EOS 1.2D camera. So as you can see right there, that is my camera right there. So I was struggling to use this camera without obviously the front screen because it does not come with the front screen. So I scratched my head around. I'm like, how can I get a front screen? And if I get it, how am I gonna put it on my phone? I mean, on the camera and all that. Until I did my research and actually found out that I can actually use this without any problem. So there is an app, not an app, there is a software that you can download on Canon website that can actually be linked to your camera and using your laptop. So right now as I'm talking to you and I am able to see myself on my laptop screen. So if you see me looking there and then looking there, it's because I'm looking at myself and seeing if I'm in the right frame and all that. So this is the solution for you. So I'm gonna take you through how you actually download that software and how you connect it on your laptop. I mean, on your laptop and your camera. So guys, the minute I actually got that right, I was excited. I actually recorded a small clip and I'm definitely gonna use that clip and show it to you. That was I mean, like, this is the dopest thing ever. Like, wow, finally I can connect using my camera. Oh, this is dope. Oh, this is sick. I love it. I love it. Oh yeah. Guys, so I'm gonna try to show you right now my laptop and obviously my camera. So if you are able to see this wire right here, ooh, guys, this is a lot. This is a lot. Okay, so guys, this is the laptop cable, and that is connected to my camera right there. So I'm just quickly gonna show you guys. This is my screen right here, as you can see. So with this software, I'm actually able to see myself. So because now I'm facing to the laptop direction, you can see my hand, and I can actually see my hand there. So it means that whatever that is happening on my camera, I'm actually able to see it there. You see, I'm right now I'm pointing at you. I'm pointing at you. Okay guys, you're gonna go to the Canon website. I'll drop the link on the description. So what you're gonna need to do is to go down to EOS Utility 2.14, that option there that I'm highlighting. Download that. Because I've got mine downloaded already, I'm just going to show you what you need to do next. So what you're going to need to do is to go to the search option, search for a register editor. So just type in reg editor, so it will pop up there. So once you've done that, go to Okay, close those keys. All right, so you have to click on H key local machine and go to software, expand it, and look for wow 6412 node. Look for that, and after that create a new key, call it Canon. So after calling it Canon, because I've got mine already, click on Canon and create another new key called EOS Utility. So once that is done, you can close it and you are done. So you will be able to actually see that the software is working by searching for EOS Utility 2. So it will pop up and then there you have it. All you'll need to do is to just connect your cable and then you're good to go. And then you're done. And you can record. So get out of here. Go and record. Go. Subscribe first. Subscribe. Hi, I gave you content. Subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you and I love you. And yeah, see you until the next video. Okay, let me do that right. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you and I appreciate your time. So please don't forget to subscribe and yeah, click on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos.